Nicomachean Ethics is a philosophical work written by the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle in the 4th century BC. It is considered one of the most influential works in the field of ethics, and it explores the nature of happiness and the good life. According to Aristotle, the ultimate goal of human life is to achieve happiness, which he defines as activity of the soul in accordance with virtue. He believes that happiness is not an external goal that individuals can achieve through material possessions or wealth, but rather it is an internal state achieved through living a virtuous and fulfilling life. Aristotle identifies several virtues that are necessary for living a happy and fulfilling life, including wisdom, courage, justice, and self-control. He believes that these virtues are essential for achieving happiness, and that individuals should strive to cultivate those virtues in order to live a good life. In addition to virtues, Aristotle discusses the concept of the golden mean, which is the idea that individuals should strive for a balance between excess and deficiency in their actions and habits. He believes that the excess or deficiency in any virtue can lead to negative consequences, and that the key to living a virtuous life is to find the right balance between these extremes. Aristotle also discusses the concept of eudaimonia, which is often translated as human flourishing or well-being. He believes that individuals can achieve eudaimonia by living in accordance with virtue. Overall, Nicomachean Ethics is a comprehensive exploration of the nature of happiness and the good life. It identifies several virtues necessary for living a fulfilling and meaningful life, and it emphasizes the importance of finding the right balance between excess and deficiencies in one's actions and habits. Its ideas continue to be influential in the field of ethics and have had lasting impact on Western thought.